Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about if your app is not installed in your device OnePlus 9rt, how you can solve this problem. Before starting the video, if you are new here, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get new videos. So let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 9rt you are having issue related to the app installations or your apps are not being installed, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the app not installed problem in your device.